So guys, I want to show you something. Check this out. This is the poster, and here is the actual rendering of my car. Now this is so cool. I didn't know this existed. I've always had professional photographers do shoots of my cars, and they can kind of Photoshop it and tweak it a little bit. So how it works, you're going to take a few good pictures of your car. You can even use your cell phone. Make sure it's a decent quality picture. Make sure the lighting is good. You're going to send it to him. He is going to tweak it and render it and maybe get some information off you. What do you want it to look like? What kind of background do you want? Do you want a different colored wheel? He has the options to do all of this. You're going to get a hold of him at MonacoAutoDesign.com. Super nice guy. I talked to him. I paid for these prints. I like them so much. I'm going to have the Colorado and the Integra done by him too. And I'm going to even get the posters. I always like the posters of my car. I like to be able to put them up in my garage or even in the office. And it's always hard to get a good picture, even when you're taking it with your phone or your camera and you got the rolling hills or you got a waterfall. It looks really good until you blow it up, and then it looks like the quality isn't quite there, or the shading is wrong, or it's too dark, too light, and you don't have the ability to get it perfect. This is the guy for you. Monaco Auto Design. Check it out. Stay to the end. I'm going to give you a coupon code. Rather than getting my stuff for free, I'm going to offer you a coupon code so you can save some money. I'm going to basically do free advertising for him. I'm so excited with this product. I like it so much, I think you're going to like it too. Alright, so you can see how cool this is. And these are based on pictures that he has cleaned up and rendered. So you could get just the digital image for you to blow up yourself or get printed or print on your own computer. Or you can get him to handle the printing for you. He's going to send it to you just like he sent mine. So let me just show you his Instagram and his YouTube, give you an idea of the magic that he does. Okay, so this is just an idea of the kind of thing he does. Now he's starting obviously with a picture, and once you zoom in you'll see some of the quality is down. There's a lot of like pixelation looking in the edges. The edges are not sharp. Sometimes the angles look off. So this is where he can go in every individual little part and crispen up the picture, if that's even a word. But you see some of the lines here. Once you zoom in, some of those lines start to distort, lose their shape. It's kind of like cleaning up a file. Same kind of thing, but obviously on a very complex level. And he has an eye for this stuff. Look at this. I mean, this is obviously sped up and there's a lot of tweaking going on. He'll probably take a lot more time than what he's showing you right here. But you can see how each individual part is what he is going through and cleaning up. I mean, this is awesome. It really is. That's fantastic. So one of the things I'm thinking, Christmas is coming up. A lot of car guys like pictures of their cars. I mean, especially when you're going to blow it up to a much larger size. Who doesn't want a picture of their car for the wall? So this is an idea. Get a hold of him. Again, super nice guy. Send him the picture. Not sure if he's going to be able to get it done by Christmas. I don't want to speak for him, but this would be a great Christmas present to somebody. I know I would like it. I've already bought it for myself, but like I said, I like it so much. I'm going to have him do the Colorado and the Integra, and I'm thinking of having him do some tweaking to the S2000 for some ideas on wheels and possibly wheel color. So again, perfect opportunity to send a picture to him and get it tweaked the way you want it. So I talked about a discount. He's going to give you 20% off. You're going to use the coupon code LHT. It's pretty easy. Basically tell him you found him on LHT. He's going to give you 20% off, and I think he's going to give you some kind of deal off on the printing too, to get a poster the size of the one I just got. So check it out. Coupon code LHT. Get a poster. I think you'll be happy with it. I know I am. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, hit the like, share, and we'll see you in the next video.